Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on an Epson XP-8700. Now this is nice and simple, we're done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen. My printer is currently set to English, but I'm going to try and give you the specifics of where and what option I'm pressing, so you can guide yourself to the relevant section, regardless of what language you have it in and want it changing to. So, from the home screen of the printer, we're going to drag this along, and we're going to go into Settings, which is shown by this little cog symbol. From here, we're going to choose the second option down, which is Basic Settings. And now we're going to drag this screen till we hit the bottom, and Language is the third option up. So press to go into that. And here we are. Here you have a full list of all the different languages the printer can be changed into. If you want it changed to English, just drag yourself all the way to the top, and you should see it as the third option. Press into it, and you're done. But that's all there is to see here. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to know, please drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.